Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious sushi bowl. First, let's start with the foundation, perfect sushi rice. Begin by selecting short-grained sushi rice, which is essential for that authentic sticky texture. Rinse 1 cup of rice under cold water until it runs completely clear, then cook it with 1 1/4 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning of rice vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt for that classic sushi flavor. This step is crucial for a great bowl. Next, let's talk about your fillings and toppings. The beauty of a sushi bowl is its versatility. Choose fresh, sushi-grade protein such as salmon, tuna, or even cooked shrimp, slicing it into small, manageable pieces. Complement this with crisp, colorful vegetables like thinly sliced cucumber, creamy avocado, and shredded carrots. Don't forget to add some extra textures and flavors with edamame, a spoonful of seaweed salad, or a few pieces of tangy pickled ginger. Freshness is key here. Now for the exciting part, assembling your sushi bowl and creating a delicious sauce. For a simple yet flavorful dressing, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a dash of sriracha for a spicy kick. Begin by layering your perfectly seasoned sushi rice as the base in a wide bowl. Then, artfully arrange your prepared protein and vibrant vegetables over the rice. Finally, generously drizzle your homemade sauce over all the ingredients, ensuring every bite is flavorful. To complete your masterpiece, let's add some delightful finishing touches. Garnish your sushi bowl with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and finely chopped green onions for a fresh aroma and subtle crunch. For an extra layer of umami and texture, consider adding a dash of furikake, a Japanese rice seasoning. Serve your sushi bowl immediately to savor the freshest flavors and textures. Feel free to experiment with various toppings and sauces to discover your own perfect combination. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.